Hi everyone, welcome to Dinedost in tutorials. Today we discuss about customers, staff, and delivery executives. First, customers. Go to customers section. All your customer information while doing checkouts and reservations will be saved here, like name, email, phone number, and previous orders. Here you can add and update your customer information. Now, staff and staff permissions. Go to staff to add your staff and click add member. Fill up these details and click save. For staff permissions, go to setting and click staff roles. Here you can assign and remove permissions according to their role. This is how you can manage staff and staff permissions. Now we move to delivery executive. Go to delivery executive. To add, click add executive. Fill up their details and click save. This is how you can manage delivery executives. Subscribe for more information. See you again. Cheers.